Welcome, dear friend. In this video, we want to discuss about one prompt to fix ChatGPT code cutting, and this is episode 3. And I'm going to show you the second episode. I've showed you different methods to have complete code, because it used to be frustrating when you are using ChatGPT and then it's sending you code and the code is cutting off. Although I know another way to do that would have been for you to use like ChatGPT Plus, but I know there are a lot of people watching that may not be subscribed to that ChatGPT Monthly Plus for whatever reason that may be. So that's why I keep doing this series to share my experience on the free plan, how I've been able to get access to complete code. So if you have been facing the same, here comes another trick for you to use to get complete code whenever you are interacting with ChatGPT as a developer. In case you are new, welcome. I am Solomon Foskaay, founder of AiHiPUniversity. This platform is on the mission to encourage developers to embrace AI early. So it doesn't matter if you are a Web 2 or Web 3, embracing AI early help to 10x your development skill and amplify your productivity as a developer. So instead of AI taking your job from you, it will instead enhance your amplify your productivity and amplify your earning as a developer. If those interest you, first step is for you to subscribe, tap the notification bell not to miss our video. Then the second step, you can start taking our courses, free courses with certification on that get you better on how to integrate AI into Web 2, Web 3 dApps. Like we have this full course on building like ChatGPT clone, chatbot, and things like that. So you can start enrolling in our website AiHiPUniversity.com and link in the description. The third thing is join our Discord, where you meet other AI enthusiasts and also be able to ask direct questions from me to get support about our video. At the same time, if you need help one-on-one for your AI related project as a developer or not, you can book a premium consultation time, 1 to 3 hours with me right through the Discord. Now, back to our discussion. I want to teach you, like I told you, I've shown you my first trick in the episode 1, another trick in the episode 2 here. Then here comes, because I continue to see that a lot of you seems to like those videos. So I want to continue to release those tips and tricks I use personally when I'm using the ChatGPT free version, which a lot of you will likely be using as well. So now, if you are onto ChatGPT like this, you have a code base. Let's use, for this course, we have the repo. Let's go to the repo. Yeah, this is the repo. If you find the course helpful, please don't forget to star it. So thanks to those that have started, it is about 12 stars, and I believe it's going to be getting better with time. So now, when you come here, we have the UI. That's the user interface, or you call it any other thing, you call it the front end or whatever. Here now we have, let's go to the SRC routes. Then we have the code for the page. Now this page code is 478 lines. There is a full assurance that if I copy this code and ask ChatGPT to adjust anything in it and send it back to me, it won't be able to send the complete code back to me. Again, it will cut midway. So what I will do is this. Let's copy it. Then go to ChatGPT and say, I have this code I'm using to build ChatGPT clone AI chat bot. I want to add some features. 1. When user post question. It should show loading while waiting for AI response from the API call. 2. Add feature to make the delete button function. Now, you will not say, oh, I've even clicked cap lock, I didn't. So you then say, let's just leave it like that. So now, where the prompt comes in, before we paste the code, you should make sure you put something like this inside of it, which I will get for you here. I'm coming. Now, current code below. Please only send me the updated function or updated code snippets. You understand? And where to use it in the full code. Don't send full code below back to me. Then you put colon. Now, what you are trying to tell ChatGPT with this prompt is that, please, this code I want to send to you is a full code, but once I send it to you, I don't need the full code back again. All I need from you is code snippets of whatever changes I need to make. Just tell me where to fix them. By doing this, you are able to call ChatGPT from just trying to spit the code to just telling you, okay, you need to add this to this, you need to add this to this. So let's give that a try now. We can now copy the code, go back and paste it. So let's see. So to add the loading message, you can set a flag to true when the form is submitted and set it to false when API response is received. You can see it. Here is an updated onSubmit function. So now, instead of it sending me the full code from the beginning, which would have started from here, you can see it. It went straight to the onSubmit. That's the function that is triggered. Do you see it? It's keep all this code, then go here straight, because once the user clicks submit, this is the function that we have built. If you want to see how it was built, go and take the free course. Everything is explained step by step. It will trigger this onSubmit. That, okay, when user click, add them to message, make an API call, and a lot of other things that will be done within that. So it's now telling me that that's one of the major ones I need to edit. Look, even that alone is long. So you can now imagine, you might not even be able to finish even this single function when it becomes too long. So you can now imagine if you want to start from the beginning, it might not even get to this or implement the changes. You can see it. It has implemented the changes for me. Set the loading flag to false. So with this now, I can implement this. I just need to copy this and make use of it. So with this, I've reduced the headache of it sending me all the full code again, then experiencing the code, you see, to make the delete button. So it has sorted one. So if I know it will cut, I wouldn't even put the number 2. I'll just say fix that for me. Do you see it? It's just picking the particular function that need to be adjusted, not all the other code. So this has really helped a lot when I'm using the free ChatGPT version to code a long code base to make sure it only spit out the aspect that need adjustment, and that helps. So did you find this helpful? Let me hear in the comments below. If you do, subscribe, tap notification bell, and please share this video on your social media. At the same time, join our Discord if you have questions about the video and need more support. Meanwhile, how have you been able to get your code completed? Share in the Discord as well. And if I find some of it helpful, I might also do another series in this video to help developers out there. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next. I remain Solomon Foskaay of AiHiP. Please keep the program sweeter and alive, and always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil. Thanks and peace out.